So, you want to buy a brand new Miata, huh? Well, I don't mean to alarm you, but it's June 2021, and if you haven't got one for a decent price, you may be f***ed. Here's how I got mine for the price that I did. Welcome to the channel. I'm Mr. Miyada. Alright, so basically I finally pulled the trigger on a Mazda Miata in real life. Up until now, I've been kind of just driving Miatas online in sim racing, both in Gran Turismo and iRacing for a little bit there. And this year is the year I'm hitting a milestone birthday in August. And so at the beginning of the year, I set out to plan for buying a Miata on my birthday this coming August 2021. Long story short, I heard about the chip shortage and the dwindling stock of vehicles that the dealerships are dealing with right now because of the chip shortage. So yeah, I accelerated my timeline to pick a Miata up to May 2021. At the time of filming this, it's June 2021 right now. I'm glad I picked mine up for when I did, and spoiler alert, I got mine for the price of $34,900. It's a 2021 Mazda Miata MX-5 RF Club manual. No real added packages except for door guards. I feel very lucky that I got it for that price, because there were dealerships that were wanting to charge $39,000 out the door, $39,000 for the same configuration out the door. Different colors, yes, but $39,000. That's $5,000 more than what the sticker is saying. Okay, let me just get into what I did. Part of my research was going on to yourautoadvocate.com, and I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not paid by them, but basically they offer a free vehicle report. You go to a dealership website and you see the car that you would like to buy, and then you get the VIN number from their website. So you take that VIN number, copy it, and then paste it into yourautoadvocate.com, and they will generate a vehicle market report, okay? And it gives you some very good information on that specific vehicle that you're looking at. First and foremost, it will tell you how long that vehicle has been posted for sale at that dealership. So essentially how long it's been on the lot. And that's important because the longer a car has been on the lot, the more likely it is that you can get a good deal on that car. So you can approach them online, send them a message to their contact form, or send them an email and just say, hey, I'm shopping several dealerships for in my case was a Mazda Miata 2021 RF Club in the manual transmission. I'm shopping several dealerships, so I'd like your best out the door price on this stock number. They're going to try to get you in to talk to you physically. You know, they might do some phone stuff, they might do some email stuff, but ultimately they want you there in their seat inside of the dealership to wheel and deal and talk to you about the car that you want to purchase. So yeah, that's what I did. I found one that was sitting on the lot for over 100 days. Now, it costs the dealership money to keep that vehicle on the lot not sold. Capistrano Mazda had a white 2021 Mazda MX-5 RF Club manual transmission sitting on their lot for over 100 days. I spoke with the sales rep there and I got the price down as much as I could. And then I got a printed quote. I got them down to about $35,100 in terms of a printed quote. And as I was trying to walk out the door, they went ahead and knocked off another $200. So that brought it down to $34,900 out the door. And then you take that same quote and you show that quote to all the other dealerships that have a similar configuration of the vehicle that you want. And you just straight up get straight to business. You skip the test drive, you skip the whole banter, and you just say, hey, can you meet or beat this price? So the two dealerships that I pitted against each other were Capistrano Mazda and Mazda Puente Hills in the City of Industry here in California. And that's what I did, is I just showed them the price and I asked them to beat it. Meet it or beat it. Well, beat it, really. And quite honestly, Capistrano Mazda gave me a really good price according to the market and the market conditions. And Puente Hills of Mazda, after some discussion, they kind of reaffirmed that. They said that's a really good deal. So both of them are high-performing volume Mazda dealers. And what I mean by that is that they sell a lot of units, so they're kind of they're at the top of the list in terms of getting more units to replace whatever they sell. Which is why they have so many Miatas, because they move a lot of Miatas. Wherever you are in the world, you just find two dealerships that are high-performing dealerships, and you show the lowest price from one to the other and see if they can meet it or beat it. And when both of them tap out and say, we can't go any lower than that because that's an honestly good deal, then that's when you know you have the best price you can find in the market. So $34,900 was the deal that Mazda Puente Hills gave me for this polymetal gray RF Club, and I was happy with it. It came down to color. They were both dealerships were willing to give their car away for $34,900, and so it came down to color. And I felt like the polymetal gray, it looks really nice, and it's I guess a little easier to take care of than white. And if anybody here knows ND Miatas, the color of the exterior actually comes into the car on the doors. So I felt like I could stare at polymetal gray inside of my car a little bit longer than I could white, and it came down to that. So, but with these market conditions, guys, the market adjustment you see on the stickers of $5,000 sometimes, or maybe even more, we don't know what's going to happen for the rest of this year. That's going to be harder and harder to fight as stock gets more and more limited. But yeah, I'm wondering if that white RF Club is still there at Capistrano Mazda. Let's take a look. All right. Capistrano Mazda. Let's see if that white RF Club is still there. Yeah. So I'm going to check out their inventory. When I shopped for my Miyada, again, it was May 2021, about mid-month. So let's say May 17th, May 18th is when I was really doing my hardcore shopping and actually going to dealers to do test drives and get deals. But anyway, so yeah, San Juan Capistrano, California. Let's check out their inventory. I want to see if that white Miyada RF Club is still there. Wow. If this is the manual, yeah, 6-speed manual, stock number 85482. I'll double check to see if that's the same one. It's still there. $34,480 is the MSRP that they're asking for. Holy smokes. This is the one that I test drove and got the quote for to shop the other Mazdas. It says mileage 6. Don't ever believe that. These online inventory reports are never real. Like when I test drove it, I think it had close to 30 miles, 35 miles on it already. It's still there. I'm pretty sure if you tried to go back and try to get a deal on this aging inventory, you might get a good price. But again, they're going to heavily lean into that chip shortage. They might tell you, like they told me, that this is the last one in Southern California with this configuration, which, you know, it's the truth, but it's kind of clouded truth to me. Like, it's not the whole story. But yeah, if you don't mind the white color and can live with that, then this one is still there at Capistrano Mazda. Like, go get them, Tiger. Try to get that price as low as you can. But like I said, I don't know. It's a month later and reports all point towards dwindling inventory, like dealerships being down to days left of inventory. And good luck to you. I really hope that you can get the Miyada for a good price out there. If you got a price that was better than I got in the month of May or even now in the month of June, definitely share in the comments below how you got your price. And yeah, let's see if we can help other people out so that they can start enjoying their Miyada today for the price that they want, despite the market. and its adjustment. If you found something helpful for your search for a Miata today in today's video, would love if you hit that like button. Be sure to hit subscribe and bell and notification, all that jazz. Again, guys, until next time, I'll see you in the next video. I'm Mr. Miyada. Peace.